Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Remember to activate the notification bell, and if you already subscribed to the channel, make sure to ring that notification bell as well to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. So before I start ripping the package apart, what do you think is hiding inside this package this time? If you think you know, or if you think you can guess the right answer, leave a comment down below before you continue watching the video. Without further ado, let's get unboxing. So as usual, I've got my trusty knife here that I also bought from AliExpress. If you want to see the unboxing of this knife, I've got other videos on my channel. You can go and watch them. It's one of the long videos called "What's Inside My Huge AliExpress Haul." Anyway, let's get unboxing. So as usual, when I order something from AliExpress, it takes at least 3 weeks to get here. But this time, this package didn't take 3 weeks. It took a little under 3 weeks. It was over 2 weeks, but not 3 weeks. So it was a little bit faster this time. So the big reveal. As you can see, is a projector I bought from AliExpress. I've seen some other YouTube videos about this projector, so I wanted to try one for myself and see if it's really worth it, or if it's just a bunch of bull. So let's keep unboxing. I hope the projector is not damaged, because that package looked beat up. But as you can see here, seems like it's been well packaged. You can see you've got some foam here, and you've got some foam here as well. So far it seems like the projector has been well packaged. Let's keep unboxing. Yeah, let's get everything out of the box, and then we're gonna talk about what's inside the box. Then I have to put this one out. Okay, so this is the projector. What else came in the box? This came in the box, and this is a card with tips about the projector. So first tip, when the autofocus is occasionally unclear, please press the remote control button F+ or F- to correct the clarity. Second tip, this machine is autofocus model. Please don't rotate the right knob as it's already fixed. Forcing rotation may damage the machine. Second tip. Third tip. Please consult customer service if you have any questions during the usage. Hope you enjoy the projector. So what's the customer service? There's no numbers. Or maybe what they mean by that is contact the seller if you have any questions. I think that's what they should write there. I should have written there. So we have this box here, and inside the box you get a remote control. It's a tiny one. So this is the first tip. If it's out of focus, press F plus or F minus for it to get back into focus. Remote control. Let's check what kind of batteries it takes. AAA. I don't know why more and more things are using AAA batteries. I don't know about you, but I grew up, most of the things, the standard was AA batteries, you know, which are also the most easy to find. Then you have a cable, just a normal cable, normal TV cable. What else? And then you have a, whoa, this is old. Maybe some of you are too old to know what these are. Back in the days when you got a PlayStation 1, it came with this, which was for audio cable and video. But this one is only for audio because I can see an audio jack here. I don't even remember. It was, I think the yellow and the red was usually the video part, and then the white one was the audio part. I don't know. Any of you remember this? Anyone old enough to remember what this color meant back then? Leave a comment below. But yeah, this is to connect it to a physical speaker. And the last thing you get in the box here is an HDMI cable. Just a standard HDMI cable. And of course you get a user manual. It's in English and alright, it says here. So the user manual comes in 3 languages: English, Arabic, I think. I'm not sure, I don't read Arabic, but this looks like Arabic to me. And the last one is Portuguese. That's an odd choice of languages. So if you speak French and you don't understand English, you're screwed. But if you speak English or understand English, this manual is useful for you. The same goes for if you speak Arabic or Portuguese. What else? And then there is an extra screw. I think this is the leg of the projector, so this might be an extra leg. It's a cool touch. I'd rather, it would have been even better. It's a cool touch, and it would have been even better if they had sent 4 more of these, so you have some extra, because these things usually just disappears really fast. Then you don't know where to put them and all that. Okay, now let's take a look at the big star of the package, Mr. the projector. So let's open the projector. So this is the projector itself. The brand is Holat. Chinese name or Chinese brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Holat. That's how I'm going to pronounce it. Holat. You may pronounce it some other way. But it says here 8K video, 8K compatible video. So it's not 8K, but it's compatible with 8K. And then it says HD, full HD 4K. Full HD 4K. You know, I made a video about AliExpress sellers always playing fast and loose with the numbers. Definitely do subscribe to the channel if you want to see the review of this projector, because I'm gonna review it. So let's start with the bottom. In the bottom here you have 4 legs. Okay, now see why you need that extra leg. That was into the box. This one goes here. Yes, that's how you can adjust the height of the projector. I'm not gonna put it in there right now, but I think I'm gonna put it there just to keep it safe so it doesn't disappear. So that was the bottom of the projector. Then one side you have a USB port, HDMI. So you have HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. So that's 2 HDMI port so far. And you have a grill here. This is to suck in air to cool the projector. And the back here has an audio out, so you can put the headphones. And then you have AV in. Okay, so this AV in must be this one. So this part you connect it to, if you have some of those old apparatus, you connect it here, and then this one goes in here, so you can see everything through the projector. And this one you can open it, but I don't know what it is, what this one is for. Or is it kind of filter? Oh, okay. So behind here you have a fan, and you have some kind of, it's not a kind of, and then you have a filter here. It's a filter, and then you have a filter, so you can take this filter out and vacuum it, clean it, and then put it back. So fans, this one is a speaker. I think it looks like a speaker. Yeah, so this part here is a speaker. I can see the speaker. I don't know if you can see it through the video, but let me try to bring it close. But this is a speaker, and this is a fan. And the back of the projector, not the back, the side, the other side of the projector, you have where you put the power. So that cable, this cable, go in here, and then the rest goes into the wall. Yes, and the front here you have a projector head, and you have some buttons here, and it looks like they are touch. Yes, they are touch. And how do you open this one? Do you turn it, or do you just pull it? Or you pull it. So to take this one out, you just pull it out. That's why you have the lens. That's the lens. Alright. So that's everything about the projector. I'm thinking I should plug in and power it just to see. Let's just power it, power the projector, and just to see real quick, you know. Let me put this leg as well. Alright, I'm gonna put this leg like that. Cool. Or maybe a little bit taller. Alright. So I have taken the lens cover out. I'm gonna get a cable and plug it in real quick. I'm just gonna plug it in real quick. I don't want the video to be that long because it's just an unboxing video, but let me just power it and let's turn it on. So the projector is powered, and I'm gonna bring it a little bit back here and press the button. I hope you can hear the fan going. I hope you can hear the fan going. Hello people of YouTube, welcome back to my channel. You know that feeling when you order something online? So far we've seen that the projector works. I've powered it on and everything seems to work. The quality of the image is not that great, but I'm gonna need to play with it with the settings to find out. So the rest is to come during the review of the projector. So subscribe for that. Subscribe if you want to see the review of the projector, and if you want to know all the other details, price wise and all that, subscribe for the review. If you've watched the video so far and you're still here, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. If you liked the video, smash that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Remember to ring that notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. Support the channel by leaving a comment below, and until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.